We signed up for this as soon as we heard about it and could get in, and wanted to do it here for two reasons. One, we wanted the opportunity to go through first round of maintenance, and we really wanted to understand exactly what needs to be done and a lot more about where everything was located and how all the air brake systems work in detail. Both my wife and I are engineers, and so we love this stuff, and we hadn't invested in ourselves for a long time, and this was well worth it. I'd recommend it to anyone.